Alright, pretty sure we're recording. We're gonna play Lawnmower Man. I haven't played it in a little bit, so we'll see how I do. Do I need to go over what Lawnmower Man is? I need to go over my buttons real quick. Okay. So I get the feeling that people are only voting for it because they like the story. It's highly doubtful people really like the game that much, because I did put a poll up, and this is the one that y'all said that you would prefer I play. So, Lawnmower Man was a movie that came out in the early 90s. Was it early 90s? Maybe mid? It, it was a weird movie. It was based off a Stephen King book that was even weirder. So let's go from the beginning. The Stephen King book was a short story that he wrote for a men's magazine, which was like a porn. It's like a Playboy, but less fancy. And the story was just like this guy was looking for somebody to do his lawn. He put out an ad in the paper or something. And the dude that responded was weird, and he would only come at night. He did a good job, but he would only show up at night, and the man who owned the house never met him. And he was like desperate to meet this guy and tell him what a good job he thought he was doing and stuff, but he was only there at night. He never saw him. So one night the dude decides to just stay up and look out his window and see what the guy looks like, what he's doing. And what he sees is a naked man crawling on all fours, eating the grass, and a machine riding behind it and capturing the clippings. It was a weird story. And somehow, from that, they got the movie Lawnmower Man, which follows a simple-minded man named Job and a scientist or a doctor, I don't remember. The doctor has been doing experiments with monkeys to increase their intelligence. And he's using video games. He gives them drugs and then he has them play these video games. And the doctor decides to have a human test, and he chooses Job. And the tests and stuff, they work, and Job does get smarter, but as he gets smarter, he gets angry and violent, because he kind of like realizes how shit his life has been and how awful everybody in his life has been. And he just starts taking his vengeance out. Like, I think at one point there's I haven't seen the movie in a long time, but I think at one point there's a priest or a pastor or something that's been sexually abusing him. Like, it's messed up. There was even a sequel, Job 2 in cyberspace. Like, what am I doing? Okay. Wow, I am going blind in my old age because I could not see that red on red. That was just one big red block to me. I had to just guess that there was something inside that. So if y'all are wondering what is happening in this game, because it's hard to decipher, what we just did was a brain box, and that would be like part of the video games that Job is playing to increase his mind. And so are these like things that we're going through. You know, when I was a kid, we used to spend like we would just stand here and try anything to try to go into that building. I can just remember me and my older sister just trying desperately to get into that goddamn building. I don't know why. We just wanted in there. Ah, it's the angry t-shirt level. Always a good time. I'm actually doing fairly good on this run. I have to remember this strain of weed makes me good at video games. Where was I when I know I was talking. Did I mention both the book and the movie? I think I did. And the sequel. Okay. So it was a movie that for some reason was always playing. There were a couple of years that I just remember every time I went in the living room, it seemed like it was on. Either my dad really liked it, or HBO really liked it. It was not a good movie, so I don't understand why. Why am I not hitting anything now? Maybe because I stopped concentrating and started thinking about what I was going to say. Oh, come on. One more. Ah, you're going to keep shooting at me once we're done. Bastards. Brain box over here. As a kid, even if I wasn't the one playing, sometimes they would hand me the controller for these. We all had our skills, though. My older sister was really good at the driving part. My little sister was really good at watching us. Oops. Let the plane come back. I don't need it to come back. I can't blow it up for points. I'm just... Is it wanting me to fly it? What's happening? I have never fought the van with the plane before. Literally, this is weird to me. I always jump out of the van, jump out of the plane and destroy it. And then go after... Can he even hurt the... Have I glitched it? What's happening? Did I blow it up now? No. The plane for some reason is invincible. Can I take it further? Well, I shouldn't have gone back. Wait, can I take it further? The plane is supposed to be gone by this point, y'all. This is only funny if you've ever played the fucking game. Oh, it's not funny anymore. I glitched it out. I'm stuck up in the air and I'm playing blind. And it's killing me. Just repeatedly killing me. Is it killing me? Am I just stuck here? Okay, I'm gonna have to end this video because I fucked it up. Sorry about that.